want all of us to think about all of our great relationships in our life, if we're married, our relationship with our spouse, if we're dating somebody. Did we start all of those great relationships in our life with the people we love, adore, and respect by giving them a presentation about us? No, that would be ridiculous, right? Well, everybody needs a presentation. Hey, you're single, I like to mingle, my car's parked outside. I have if you mind, hey, Javier, can you hit the lights? I've got a display. I'd like to show you a couple slides about moi. Yeah. Wouldn't go over very well, right? So this idea of like a appointment setter is going to set an appointment, we're going to go through a presentation, you're kind of off on the wrong road. And it's really weird that we never, I do, but most people don't, we never go, who came up with this rule that everybody's got to sit through a demo in the first place, and would that work in my personal life, right? So instead of a presentation, and you might be able to slide this in without leadership even knowing, I would reach out to them and saying, hey, it's John. Noticed you had spoke with a member of our team. I wanted to step in here personally and make sure you got all the information that you needed. Oh, thanks, John. Awesome. What can I get you information on? Well, we did talk to that other person on the phone. We were interested in bump, right? Got it. Now, just out of curiosity, why were you interested in that? Well, because we need to do XYZ with the office, right? Why do you need to do XYZ with the office, right? And by the way, we're all terrified to ask that because we're supposed to be a know-it-all, right? Oh, I can't ask a question like that. I'm supposed to be an expert on my industry. Are you a sales professional or business owner that wants to double your income in the next 60 days? I've helped thousands of sales professionals and business owners double or even triple their income in 60 days or less, and I can do the same for you. Through our interactive video coaching platform and live sales coaching with me twice a week, people that have access to Easton University sales coaching have sold $3.47 billion. Yeah, that's billion with a B in the last 10 months alone, and I can do the same for you. So if you want to increase your sales, if you want to explode your income, you do that by learning a simple, straightforward sales process that has you covered from prospecting to close. And that's what we built just for you. And that's what we're doing for people and business owners just like you that are experiencing massive success right here, right now. So what are you waiting for? The right sales process with the right sales coach can change everything for you. The time is now. So click the link. Let's get started. I want to help you today.